Today we are diving deep into the evolution of an icon, the 2026 Ferrari Roma. The Roma has always been known as the La Nuova Dolce Vita, a car that captured the spirit of 1950s Rome with its clean lines and understated elegance. But as we move into 2026, the story is changing. This year marks a significant turning point for Ferrari's entry-level Grand Tourer, as the classic Roma coupe makes way for its successor, the Ferrari Amalfi. The design philosophy visually, the 2026 Roma and its new Amalfi counterpart continues to prioritize a monolithic design. Ferrari's styling center has moved away from the aggressive shark nose fascia of the earlier models toward a smoother, more aerodynamic front end. One of the biggest changes you will notice is the removal of the body-colored grille. Instead, the front is more integrated, using slashes in the headlights to channel air more efficiently. At the rear, the car now features an active electronic wing. This isn't just for show. It adjusts between three positions: low drag, medium downforce, and high downforce depending on your speed. At 250 km per hour, this wing can generate up to 110 kilograms of downforce, ensuring the car remains glued to the asphalt during spirited drives. Performance and engineering. Under the long, sweeping hood sits the legendary 3.9-liter twin-turbocharged V8 for 2026. Ferrari has tweaked this award-winning power plant to produce an impressive 631 horsepower, an increase of nearly 20 horses over the previous Roma, 0 to 100 kilometers per hour. 3.3 seconds top speed, over 320 kilometers transmission, 8-speed dual clutch shared with the SF90 Stradale. Ferrari engineers have also focused on modificata updates, meaning they have sharpened the throttle response with lightened camshafts and a redesigned exhaust system. The result? A V8 that feels zippier, revier, and more vocal than ever before. Interior. The return of buttons, perhaps the most welcome change for 2026, is found inside the cabin. After years of feedback regarding the haptic-heavy steering wheel, Ferrari has officially brought back physical buttons. The touch-sensitive pads are gone, replaced by tactile switches and a prominent red physical starter button on the steering wheel. The tech suite remains cutting edge with a 15.6-inch curved digital instrument cluster and a new 10.25-inch central touchscreen. Crucially, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto now live directly in the center screen, meaning you no longer have to sacrifice your rev counter to see your navigation. The Spider remains while the coupe transitions into the Amalfi nameplate. The Roma Spider continues for 2026. It remains the perfect choice for those who want the open-air experience without the complexity of a folding hardtop. Its fabric roof can deploy in just 13.5 seconds at speeds up to 45 kilometers per hour, allowing you to hear that V8 roar in high definition. The 2026 Ferrari lineup proves that even in an era of electrification, the Italian marque still knows how to celebrate the pure, unadulterated internal combustion engine. It's faster, smarter, and thanks to those physical buttons, much more user-friendly. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2026 Ferrari Roma and the new Amalfi, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more supercar content. Would you like me to compare the 2026 Ferrari Roma Amalfi with its main rival, the Aston Martin Vantage?